In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Facebook. This process is a fantastic way to broaden your store's reach and streamline your online business operations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Shopify store connected to Facebook, enabling you to manage your sales channels efficiently and enhance your customer engagement. Let's get started by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left of your dashboard, and there you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page that houses various settings to optimize your store. From this list, select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is essentially your control center for all third-party applications and sales avenues attached to your store. Here, you'll be managing how your products are sold across different platforms. Next, we want to find the Shopify App Store. You'll notice an option to explore more sales channels and apps from this page. Simply click on Shopify App Store and it will open in a new tab or page depending on your browser settings. Once in the App Store, use the search bar located at the top. Type Facebook and Instagram and look for the app with the notation by Meta. Meta, which is the parent company of both Facebook and Instagram, offers a reliable app designed specifically to facilitate this integration effortlessly. Click on the app to access its page. On this landing page for the Facebook and Instagram app, you'll want to find and click the button that says Add Channel, or sometimes simply Add App. Clicking this will start the process of linking your Shopify store with your Facebook account. The app allows you to create ads, sync your product catalog, track sales directly from Facebook, and more, making it an invaluable tool for any Shopify store owner. Pay attention to any prompts or permissions it asks for, and make sure you agree to them so the app functions correctly. Once the app is successfully added to your Shopify account, it's time to set everything up. Hit the Start Setup button to initiate the connection between your Shopify store and your Facebook page. This setup process might include a few steps like logging into your Facebook account, confirming permissions, and selecting the page or pages you want to connect. Make sure you follow each instruction on your screen carefully to ensure the connection is seamless. And there you have it. With your Shopify store now integrated with Facebook, your products will be available to a wider audience. You'll be able to tap into Facebook's vast network to attract potential buyers while managing communications and sales figures from one central location. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.